You might be damaging your liver right now and not even know it. I once had a patient who swore that they ate healthy, oats, smoothies, no alcohol, and yet they had fatty liver disease. But why? Because they didn't know the right foods to detox the liver naturally. In this video, I'll show you 10 science-backed superfoods that can help your liver detox itself naturally, reduce inflammation, and boost your energy. No pills, no gimmicks. Number 6 is a little known fruit with powerful liver cleansing properties, but many people skip it entirely. Your liver is like your body's cleaning crew. Every toxin, medication, processed snack, your liver filters it all. But when it gets overloaded, fats start to build up that leads to inflammation, belly fat, fatigue, and even non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, even in people who don't drink. Let's get into the 10 fruits. Number 1 on my list, leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, bitter leaf are rich in chlorophyll, nature's liver blue. They help absorb toxins from the bloodstream and also increases the flow of bile, which flushes out waste from the liver. Number 2 on my list, garlic. Garlic activates liver detox enzymes and contains selenium, a mineral that helps your liver detox naturally. Number 3 on my list, turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reduces liver inflammation and helps prevent fat buildup. Just a pinch daily makes a huge difference. Number 4 on my list, avocados. This superfruit boosts glutathione, the antioxidant your liver uses to repair itself. Studies show avocados help prevent liver damage. Number 5 on my list, green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins that improve liver enzyme levels and reduce fat storage. Number 6 on my list, beetroot, the surprise one. Beetroot contains betaine, which helps reduce liver inflammation and boosts detoxification enzymes. It also gives your bile flow a big boost. Number 7 on my list, citrus fruits like lemon or grapefruit. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help convert toxins into water-soluble compounds, easier for the liver to flush. Number 8 on my list, nuts, especially walnuts. Nuts contain arginine and healthy fats that support liver cleansing and reduce inflammation. Number 9 on my list, fatty fish. Examples, salmons, sardines, mackerels. The omega-3 in fatty fish lower fat levels in the liver and reduce inflammation. Just 2 to 3 servings per week can make a big difference. Number 10 on my list, olive oil. 1 tablespoon a day helps reduce liver enzymes and improve insulin sensitivity, crucial for your liver health. These 10 foods don't just help you feel better. They reduce fatigue, improve metabolism, and even slows aging. Add at least 3 of them to your diet this week, and your liver will thank you. Which of these foods do you eat already, and which of them are new to you? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and share this video to someone that needs it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!